Welcome back each and everyone to Plant a Garden TV. This is a okra tree right here. Yeah, this is a okra tree right here. So what I do, I allow some of the okra to dry. So when you have okra, just leave a few on the tree to dry so you can get seeds. So all this is okra. So all these is what I'm gonna use and save the seed. You see how much I have here? Okra this is the pads that hold the seeds. With all this, it's a whole heap of seeds. How you all doing today? Today I'm gonna show you guys the way I save my okra seed. This bag is almost full with okra, and all these pads full with okra seed. Yeah, all these pads full with okra seed. So, like for instance, all you do, you bust this open like this. Look what I'm doing. You open it. Look the amount of seed coming out. You see? One of them holds a lot of seed. Look the amount of seed right there. And this, it ain't even finished. Let me show you how much seed you could get from one okra. From one okra you can get a lot of seed. So this is what I do. I always leave some of the okra to get hard. Or even though you plant okra and some of them get hard, you don't worry about it. What you do, you save them, let them get dry, let them get hard, and you just get them ready for your next crop. That's one right there. So what I do, I get one of these buckle and I put them inside the buckle. I take them up. This is some okra seed right here. You see the amount of seed I have here? This could plant down a farm. But this is what I do. I save my seed, so I have my seed to plant every year. Let me show you the amount of seed. What? I'm gonna throw out a little bit. You see there? And the buckle is still full. And this right here, I guarantee you, could plant a big area. Like I now did with the lettuce, I also do with the okra. I always try to soften the root after the rain. Because the rain, yeah, see how they're looking nice? You know? So that's what I'm doing today. It rained yesterday, last night. So I'm just trying to plant as much as I can today. You see that it rained last night, but guess what? The sun is really out. You know? So now because it rained, meaning that's it. You got to plant as much as you can, and then at the same time